G'day. Today we're going to be looking at a couple of things. First I'm actually going to be looking at the differences between the Civil 3D and the AutoCAD. We're also going to be looking at the differences in the different sheets that you open. Just a little bit of an explanation so it helps you understand a little bit more about how it all works and why we do it in a certain way. As you notice, I haven't got AutoCAD open. What I will do is I will open it up now and I'll explain the differences between the versions that you can use, and the version I'm going to be using at this point in time is going to be the Autodesk, the 3D Civil version and Metric. Okay, so I'll open that up. This is predominantly the version we use in class because it has all the civil tools that are needed. And you can see this is just a warning about I'm using an education version. Now you'll notice the main differences. I've set this up as some of these clipped to the sides. You'll notice here that pretty much all this information open, and when you're opening up in the Civil 3D mode, you'll notice that you'll also have access to your workspace of the Civil 3D. If you open it up in just the AutoCAD mode, and I'm just going to close this now, and then I'll open up in just the simple AutoCAD mode, you'll find that just AutoCAD 2001, start up, continue, and you'll notice that the screens will look pretty similar. You'll hardly tell the difference between the two. And just wait, got to let all this stuff go behind. Pretty much you can't tell much of the differences between them except for when you go into here. Now when you go into here you don't have access to any of the 3D civil work. So you'll find if you're working with contours or with any type of civil drawing, the tools won't be available. You'll notice these tools are different between the different views, and again I'm going to close, open it up again. I think if you do click just straight on the icon, it does start up, but I've actually got a feeling it will start up in AutoCAD mode only. Okay, I could be wrong, hopefully I am wrong. But this is something you need to watch for, because quite often you might be missing tools and you've wondered where they've got to. Okay, it has started up in the Civil 3D mode. Now, as you can see here, the home screen, you can have a look at it. It's got a range of different tools. We're also going to look at the view screen. You can just have a look at the way that's laid out. Now if we shift into the 3D realm, you'll notice that the toolbar across the top here will change. You've got your drawing tools over here, and your view tools here. You've got a lot more options here when it comes to your view of your viewports. So just watch that. If I switch back into Civil 2D here mode, you'll notice your tools will be pretty much the same as they were before. Sometimes they do switch around and it becomes quite frustrating. So just watch it, okay? I'm going to make sure this goes into the menu bar. So it basically goes up in the top, showing ribbon. Okay. Now